A very warm welcome to the channel, but if you haven't noticed already, this is the Easy Chinese Cooking channel, so you might be wondering exactly what I'm doing on this channel talking about this subject, but all will become clear in just a moment. Not before I unashamedly plug my dear wife's channel and ask you to please subscribe down here, because I'm trying to encourage her to get this channel off the ground. That's but one of the reasons I'm on this channel. The other one is a genuine reason. So some people have commented that throughout the documents and the evidence, Johnny Depp had said that he had gone days without food. Now, some people questioned as to whether this is even possible and why someone would do this and so on. So very broadly speaking, that's the connection with the food channel here, because we are obviously advocates of great food. But we're also advocates of not eating food. Allow me to explain. So this is where the link between what Johnny Depp has said about not eating for several days and this channel comes in. Because it is entirely possible, in fact, somewhat normal, to be going several days without food if one is fasting or simply has the pattern of not eating for 1, 2, or even 3 days at a time. Indeed, my average fast is probably 20 to 22 hours a day, meaning I normally only eat with a window of 2 to 4 hours. This is intermittent fasting. We use an app called Zero, not a sponsored video, although sponsorships welcome, of course, but it's not a sponsored video. We use an app called Zero to track how long we fast for. So I just thought this was an interesting bit of trivia for those that wondered whether this was accurate, whether it's possible, whether it's entirely abnormal, because I know some people out there will be criticizing this for being entirely abnormal behavior, for not eating for 2 or 3 days at a time. It is actually relatively normal, relatively common for someone to go a number of days without eating, and indeed, if you have a pattern like that, then it can actually be quite healthy. So that was really it. That was my point to make. But I thought it was such a short point and a simple point and related to food that I unashamedly decided to do it on this channel here, to encourage you to watch here and to subscribe to this channel, because I would love for you to try out all of the delicious dishes that we make on this channel. And if you want more videos on this channel, please do let us know by subscribing and commenting in the box below. In the meantime, I thank you for joining me here. I thank you for supporting my wife's channel as you've supported mine. And I always thank you for watching. So thank you and have a great day.